Hi, Karen. You did such a beautiful job on your screencast. I'm hoping you'll let me use it as an example for some of my future classes. I really loved how you started off with sort of setting a story by you reading the book and immediately capturing your viewers' attention. And then you started right off by telling that story about cleaning out and giving books away, and then laid the foundation for what the whole point of the video is, teaching the children how to do math using the number line. And you were so engaging. I really want to commend you. It's really a great spot. I hope you're able to use it. Just looking at my little cheat sheet here, some of my notes. Uh, you definitely hit on all of the five quality elements. You were engaging. It was very clear. The lighting was great. And you certainly used your visuals to demonstrate what you were teaching. I know it's kind of hard to use that pen on these laptops when you're just sort of using the cursor, but anyways, you did a great job. And the overall, just the length of the video was just about right, especially for second graders. So again, I really want to commend you for doing such a great job on your screencast, and I appreciate it. And as I stated earlier, hope you'll let me use that as an example. So well done. Thank you. I hope your children enjoy it as well.